Introducing Howard's Cougar. It's going to be inspected here in the morning. Right, Mr. Burnsy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just rinsed it off, kept the inside dry, rinsed it off. Got all the schmutz off it. But going in for inspection. First thing in the morning. So then we can kind of give Howard a heads up on what all we need to do. Cool looking car though. I'm down with it.
I like it.
It's a good car, yeah?
What size motor's in it? Do we know?
Good enough. You'll find out tomorrow when you open it.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna keep it all hush hush and quiet.
Okay.
Chata.
Seta?
Chata.
Seta.
Chata. Hey Burnsy.
Yes, sir.
You like playing with cougars?
I do like playing with cougars, actually.
Nice.
2 milfs, not drugs.
Yeah.
That
All
one's
right.
to you, Riley.
Cougar man.